Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your study group on the flipped application, such as editing its group info, productivity goals and so on. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the groups icon down below, which is the third option. Then go to the Your Groups section in the middle of the screen and click on your group that you want to edit. Tap on the settings icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. The first section is edit group info, so you can change its name, bio and add the link to it. You can also change the productivity goal, edit the group live details, such as the default activity tag and the stopwatch timer. You can also change the group types, such as studying, challenge, focus or self-care. You can change the community type, such as everyone, any student, pre-high school students, high school students and so on. You can change the academic focus by selecting the group interest and manage group members as well. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.